Hello researchers, dive in with us as we unravel the protocol for the FluoGreen Anionic Peptide reagent, your tool for tracking and enhancing intracellular delivery of anionic peptides. Inside this reagent, you'll discover 1 milliliter pipette tips and 2 pivotal vials, one that contains the lipids and the other one for the emulsion preparation. Begin your quest by pouring 100 microliters of ethanol into the DIV042F1 vial. A few smooth pipetting actions and those dried lipids blend seamlessly. Up next, channel 900 microliters of ultra-pure water into the DIVTech vial. And of course, make use of the trusty tip that comes in the box. Craft that nanoemulsion by transferring every drop of ethanol from the DIV042F1 vial atop the ultra-pure water in the DIVTech vial. Make sure you use the same micropipette and tip set to maximum volume. Use a swift pipetting motion that will give you fluorescent nanoparticles even without the drug. Time to associate the peptide to our formulation. The volume, that's where table 2 on page 5 shines. Today, we're associating 50 microliters of the formulation added dropwise to the peptide solution. A 15-minute incubation and they're all set. Your formulation is now primed and ready to take on the world. And remember, whether loaded or blank, these formulations can be stored up to 48 hours at 4 degrees Celsius, but always keep an eye on the peptide stability. For customized and optimized prototypes, you can contact us at info@diversatechnologies.com.